Breaking news. Biya Kamal ka Nuer Online TV channel. Bana rwacha kariek mchitwo kare wecha ka South Sudan. Gwas mchichek murwet. Sharoda wang duel. Kana gat ka dangwan. Rega me tuoka re wech South Sudan. Bana ja chuling kel. Ka duwa badan incha oda lahat keja. Mi jirama jidit ka Nuer Online TV channel donga jen chianga niam ka jen wo bi Nuer Online TV channel bija jegoro ja en wo jin der subscribe ka Nuer Online TV channel ko biler bukan chwa mala shub ka jen gwaye en breaking news about lingwa same chala do nene chi chek murwet charo da wang duel kana gad ka dangwan shek mote ka gad ka dangwan wa shoro da wang duel re wika South Sudan. Namone jen duel landan en chishega mo choro wang tin. Bana mandan ki ta dan che toko je bukono shulin ke lagwa. Ngu menagaro da ka jemo re wika South Sudan en shek murit mteka ga dangwan ka te ka shode. Ban me ban je linkel. Shit kamishiane na gwasa me gwa dan tuwre tin jen gwamo. Shan mandana chora lat ka jen kwiri kana machana jeling. Rega me tuoga gwa michala do chi checkpoint da wajen nguda kana roda ne nak kana gad kel re wika South Sudan ka Gokrial West County wajane Sheikh Jane ke Sheikh Dinka jena wa charo chore duel rega mo tuoga en wala ka chanka tuoga pan ka changa bangwan ka pai de kon lar yes tuoga ka chanka bangwan ka pai ro ron kin dangro jen dangro de dich chore ga me cho tuok wajen chore duel kana gad ka dangwan mishika tojo kwai ka manan chore lat duno chala do ngwada mo duel chaje gagre jemi dio jen wo chaga kana cho goro no jen baroro wang duel kana gad ka wacho duel cho chadre jemi ka cha duel cha ga ka kire jamo cha je lwan kamile ko je meno mo cha duel cha dak cha ko menen yana mo ka turna me chi shega mone cha rodo chunak kana gad ka kel tel me cha kwanga ka dobra na chalat ke je kwai ka mandana le rode ki ngu menak shegro daga jamo kana kon lada gwa no gwad me gor je no beje ladya ka tuk english an cha gor ka je re wich ka South Sudan ka jen kwiri ga me chitwoga mi sheg mutene ga gan ngwan sheg murut cha roda na ka jamo ngu menak roda ki ngu mutwok ngai kona gwan wo South Sudan cha teke list ngwan long de tuwa ko do me cha tara changa ko na chuina an kari kon to re ka South Sudan jakane ko kien ko bichu ba na mo jaka te ko babech chana jeling tragic incident in Gokrial West County. Women and 4 children die in house fire. Gokrial West County, South Sudan, on February 9, 2025. A devastating tragedy unfolded last night in Makwach Wigdit village, located in Agwo community. Gokrial West County, when a pregnant woman locked herself and her 4 children inside a room and set their house on fire, resulting in the deaths of all 5 families. Alachi gadangwan gajen chek kandang diech. According to local sources, the woman whose identity has not been disclosed tragically decided to end her life and the life of her children. The fire consumed the house, leaving no survivor from the family. The exact reason behind this devastating act remains unclear, and local authorities have launched an investigation into the incident. The village has been left in shock, and there's a deep mourning in the community, as the loss of a mother and her young children is immeasurable. The pregnant woman's decision to carry out such an act has raised numerous questions, and many are seeking answers as to what might have led to this tragic event. We are deeply saddened by the incident. Our thought and prayer are with the surviving family members of and the entire Agua community as they process this heartbreaking loss. A local representative said that the authorities are working to understand the circumstances that led to this fatal fire and have promised to offer support to the grieving family and the community during this difficult time. The incident case has cast a shadow over Gogrial West County, with many in the community struggling to comprehend the scale of the tragedy. In the coming days, local authorities are expected to continue their investigation into the incident to provide more clarity regarding the motive behind such a heartbreaking act. As the news of this tragedy spread, the community and the wider public are reminded of the importance of mental health support and awareness, especially in times of distress. Neme jere ga dana ci tuok, ciek ce shode ce bany piny, shode kujo manan le ro dundo chukume rat no biken shode, biken ti jamen me cha men nega rode ka gad kel cha jo konjek. Ko en neme a mental issue mi kon wi kone ki mi nge da chi yar te ramde ro ne kel ka gad ke. Rega me menen yene me tuok re wijen mo ka Gogrial West County. Jen gwada dana nek chiek ro tin kana gad ka dangwan. Neri chop ga diech chi ga shu liu ni ka jan gwa sa todo mo na me jan la gurge de gwich mite karamichi ngede ka nyal a shek a gan mutod aramdi ki a wut gore jen o de community de ka ren realaka ko bi kana kef tangos ni community ne shi kan diyar chang te gare ngwe ka ji chi ga rolden kon la te social media ki rol kon to gon te ko ken la pal ga ni jirwa jan o jini jin it did right do en kwede dire dan lew tene ko braro da ngap ki braro ne gbo ajen mi dido de raro ne ka jom shim shanen ga jen shega men ne garo da kel ka gat ke de kula o chi chan ke beju mon wala ngum to ka je na mo ngode chala de ku metin ten bi ne men obi kan ler mi jidit ke mu tok me nyo do dan ne garo de je bi ken no ajen dan go de nyo ya kel ke jen kwiche ka choro ne ka kana gat ke re wi ka so Sudan ka Gogrial West County which dinka ki which jane ani biya temal